The first thing I'm going to do in order to install a keyboard is select my settings menu. Then I'm going to select General and Keyboards. You'll notice I have keyboards listed at the top with 2. This denotes that I have 2 keyboards already installed. I'm going to click Edit, Delete, and Delete again. This will delete the emoji keyboard. This time I'm going to click Edit, add another keyboard, and now I have all the keyboards that I've already downloaded. I'm going to select Super Keys, and now Super Keys appears. I'm going to back out of the settings menu. Now I'm going to select my document. You'll notice I have my normal keyboard. I'm going to toggle on the additional keyboard with the globe menu. I can now use this keyboard. In order to use the other keyboard, I'm simply going to use the globe to toggle back.